Boy, howdy, y'all. I hadn't thought about these in a long time. It is one of the best appetizers you will ever put in your mouth. And when I would go to Shop HQ and I was demoing the air fryer, this was a standard recipe that we always did because it's so good. Now, I've used two chicken breasts, and you want to make sure that you cut them all at the same size so they'll all get done at the same time. Because the recipe originally called to put them in a preheated 350-degree regular oven. But these cook so good in the air fryer, so fast. That's the way I'm going to do these today. So we've got our two chicken breasts that I've cut into like almost 1-inch cubes, maybe a little bigger. And I've got my bacon here. And I'm going to cut my bacon into thirds. And we're going to wrap our chicken breast with the bacon. And we're going to, this big old bacon. And then we're going to hold it together with a toothpick. Let's see. The middle one I almost cut a little short. I'll just stretch it out.
Yeah,
just like that.
Treat that all the stage help
came
running after the segment was done.
That's right. That's right. They all came a running. All right, I got all of our cubes of chicken wrapped with the bacon, and now I've got brown sugar and I've got chili powder. And that chili powder is going to give it a little bit of heat. Not a whole bunch, but a little bit of heat. All right, now we're going to take each one of these and roll them in our mixture. And I'm going to put them right in the air fryer. Now, we're using a real thick bacon. I highly recommend, though, that you do this using regular sliced bacon, because the regular sliced bacon will adhere to whatever you're wrapping, plus it'll get done and get crisp for you. All right. I've got our sweet chicken bacon wraps in here, and I'm going to have to do probably 2 batches. And to be completely honest, I can't remember how long we used to cook them in the air fryer. But because like I said, this recipe calls for a regular oven. So I just pulled out my air fryer cookbook to see if the recipe was identical. And it's not. This one calls for chili powder. And the one in my air fryer cookbook calls for cayenne pepper and black pepper. And it says, let's see, working in batches of 10, spray each cube with oil and place in a fryer basket in a single layer. Do not overcrowd. Set temperature to 400 and air fry for 10 minutes. But that would be using, normally regular sliced bacon. So let's see, we're got 4 minutes, so I'm going to put it on 10 minutes. And it's at 400 degrees. So, one of the things I love about my air fryer, I have been known to put things in my regular oven and forget about it. But this, it won't let you forget about it, because when the time is up, it turns off. So I don't have to worry about burning anything, which is a great feature. So my second batch, I added a little bit of cayenne and black pepper in this one. And I'll try to keep them separated, because people that like a little bite, like Michael Groover, I'll have to keep that separate so he'll know which is hot and which is not. Y'all, I could not waste my time waiting for this patch. So I have 2 air fryers in my kitchen, one in the baking center and one over here on the counter. And more often than not, I've got both of them going at the same time. That's how much I love my air fryers. So I put, these are the spicy ones, because this batch I added a little cayenne pepper to. And so I'm going to put these in different plates so I'll remember not to offer any of the children that batch. But look how good they do look. And I cooked these for maybe 11 minutes. And those in the other air fryer, they got done in like 10 minutes, just like the recipe calls for. So, so good. And you can, if you're having people over for cocktails or an appetizer and a cocktail or whatever, you can, who is that? Oh, that was you. I was going to say your voice has changed. Sound like a man's. But so anyway, regular and little heat. And so if you're having company, you can make these all ahead of time, a couple hours ahead of time. And then right before company comes, just throw them back in the air fryer and heat them up and you're good to go. So if you're planning on reheating them, maybe you want to cook them 9 minutes, either in the oven or the air fryer. So they won't be so like overdone. Who's ready? Who's ready for one? Teresa, have you ever had these?
No. So don't you see me over here? I got up from where I was standing.
All right. So I just wanted to show y'all my air fryer cookbook. If you do have an air fryer and would like some new ideas, I just wanted to show it to you. All right. These are the sweet.
I want the
These
sweet.
are the hot. Oh, yeah. Those are the hot. I'm sorry.
Oh, look at her.
See, I've already got them mixed up. All right, now who would I like to play a trick on? So good. Even with the chili powder offers a little bit of heat, but not much. Because this girl's mouth is a sissy. It's a perfect appetizer using protein. So try it, you'll love it. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.